Let's shatter a common myth. Building strength after 60 doesn't require a luxury budget. What if the most effective proteins for fighting age-related muscle loss aren't the most expensive ones? The truth is, the real nutritional powerhouses are affordable, overlooked staples that deliver superior results. This isn't about cheap tricks. It's about strategic, science-backed eating that gives your body the precise fuel it needs to rebuild without draining your wallet. The supplement industry thrives on complexity, but the solution is beautifully simple. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 budget-friendly protein foods that will help you rebuild muscle, arranged from great to absolutely essential. I'll break down the exact cost, the science behind why they work better than expensive alternatives, and how to prepare them for maximum muscle-building impact. Stay until the end, because the one food costs less than 50 cents a serving and delivers more usable protein than pills costing 20 times as much. Number 7. Canned sardines. Let's talk about the ultimate convenience protein. For about $2.50 a can, you get a nutritional powerhouse that delivers around 20 grams of complete protein, along with a massive dose of anti-inflammatory omega-3, fatty acids, EPA and DHA, and vitamin D. This combination is crucial for aging muscles. Omega-3s enhance the muscle-building response to protein and exercise by improving blood flow and nutrient delivery to muscle tissue. The vitamin D is non-negotiable. Deficiency is directly linked to muscle weakness and atrophy sarcopenia. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that combining vitamin D with high-quality protein significantly improved muscle function in older adults. Their pre-cooked, boneless options are available, and you can mash them into salads, eat them on crackers, or add them to pasta for an instant upgrade. Number 6. Chicken thighs, bone-in, skin-on. While everyone pays a premium for breast meat, the savvy shopper heads straight to the cheaper, tastier, and more forgiving chicken thighs. At nearly half the price per pound, thighs are a fantastic source of complete protein. But their real advantage for seniors is their higher fat content. This extra fat makes them much harder to overcook into a dry, tough piece of meat that's difficult to chew, a major issue for many. That fat also aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and provides more calories for energy, which is essential if you have a lower appetite. Baking a large tray of seasoned chicken thighs at the start of the week gives you a versatile, high-protein base for salads, soups, and stir-fries that will keep your muscles fueled for days. Number 5. Cottage cheese. This is the ultimate slow-release nighttime protein. A single cup of 2% cottage cheese, costing around $1.50, delivers a massive 28 grams of casein protein. Casein is famous for forming a gel in your stomach, leading to a very slow digestion rate. This provides a steady trickle of amino acids into your bloodstream for hours, perfect for preventing muscle breakdown during the overnight fasting period. It's also one of the best natural food sources of leucine, that critical muscle-building trigger. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that consuming casein protein before sleep effectively stimulates muscle protein synthesis in older men. Mix it with fruit, a dash of cinnamon, or even some pepper for a savory snack to power your recovery while you sleep. Number 4. Eggs. We're talking about the incredible, affordable egg. At roughly 20 cents per egg, you are getting one of the most bioavailable, complete protein sources on the planet. Each egg delivers about 6 grams of protein, but its true power lies in its leucine content. Leucine is the master switch that triggers muscle protein synthesis. As we age, we need a higher leucine threshold to kickstart this process. Eggs are a leucine powerhouse. Research from the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs after resistance training led to a 40% greater muscle-building response compared to just eating egg whites. The yolk is crucial. It contains half the protein, almost all the vitamins and healthy fats that aid absorption. For a muscle-building meal, 3 eggs scrambled 18 grams protein, cost about 60 cents. You can't beat that value. They're quick to cook, easy to digest, and versatile. Number 3. Lentils, dried. If you want to talk about budget protein, look no further than a bag of dried lentils. For less than $1.50 per pound, which makes about 6 to 8 servings, You get a staggering 18 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber per cooked cup. While they are not a complete protein on their own, they are low in methionine. This is easily solved. Pair them with a whole grain like brown rice or whole wheat bread at the same meal to form a complete amino acid profile. This classic combination provides a slow-digesting, sustained release of energy and amino acids, perfect for fueling your day and supporting muscle maintenance. Lentils are also packed with iron and zinc, two minerals critical for energy production and immune function, which directly support your ability to stay active and build muscle. A big pot of lentil soup is perhaps one of the cheapest and most effective muscle-building meals you can make. Number 2. Tuna, canned in water. This is a classic for a reason. For around $1.50 a can, you're getting a lean, complete protein punch of about 40 grams. That's bodybuilder-level protein for pocket change. Tuna is incredibly versatile. It can be made into salads, mixed into pasta, added to casseroles, or eaten straight from the can. It's also a good source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce exercise-induced oxidative stress and supports thyroid function, which regulates metabolism. The key thing to remember is to opt for canned light tuna more often than albacore to minimize mercury exposure. Consuming a few cans a week as part of a balanced diet is a safe and extremely effective way to hit your protein targets without hitting your wallet hard. Number 1. Powdered milk. This is the ultimate secret weapon and our number 1 pick. For less than 50 cents per serving, you get a whopping 25 grams of high-quality protein. Powdered milk is simply fresh milk with the water removed. It's 80% protein by weight and contains both fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein, making it a perfect, balanced protein blend. It's the most cost-effective protein powder in the world, without the artificial sweeteners and inflated prices of branded supplements. A single quarter-cup serving mixed into water, oatmeal, smoothies, or even soups gives you a massive protein boost for pennies. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that milk protein whey and casein was highly effective at promoting muscle protein synthesis in older adults. It's shelf-stable for months, incredibly versatile, and the definition of a smart cut. Your strength and independence are priceless, but building them doesn't have to be. So tell me in the comments, which one of these budget muscle builders are you adding to your cart first? If you're ready to take action, go back and type strong in the comments. If this video saved you money and gave you a clear plan, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense nutrition strategies.